Okay, I'm going to show you how to make this blowing effect in Premiere Pro. So first and foremost, you open your Premiere Pro, you come to your effect here, make sure your clip has already been dragged into the timeline and placed very well. So search for Gaussian Blur. Oh, this is the Gaussian Blur here. Then you drag and you drop it into the clip here. So you come to your effect control here and you look for the Gaussian Blur. What you have to do is to increase the blur. Let's say like this. Click on the keyframe or the toggle animation, whatever is being called. Then you click on the keyframe here. You go a bit forward. There you click on the reset here. Sorry. Click on reset here. Yeah. Automatically you've seen another keyframe here. So you click on reset here. The reset here means take it back to the original settings. Yeah, exactly. So let's play and see how it looks like. Yep, so